Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is here. What, pray tell, is here? A year ago, October 2018, I ordered a Hot Toys Darth Vader. Let's open this bad boy, shall we? I've been waiting a year to get this. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh. Quarter scale. Oh yeah. Just like the Boba Fett, the box is very detailed. Set this down. Okay. Whoa. Let's lift him out. Whoa, it's heavy. Nice. There we go. Killing. Whoa. Yeah, the detail is so cool. Oh, his head came off. Oh, look, it's from the Dagobah. So this is the removable mask with the temp head. You can see the back of the head sculpt. Okay. Set the body down. Of course, the full helmet piece goes in there. It's hard to do one-handed, just saying. And of course we have our Return of the Jedi maskless Anakin. Wow, the eyes are awesome. Okay. Okay, let's see what's under the foam here. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Here's the platform base. Oh, and then different hands for using the saber. We've got pointing, we've got using the force, we got holding a lightsaber in the other hand. Oh yeah, Luke, cut your hand off. We got some other point, don't piss me off stuff. We got our platform here. Put this on the floor here. Instructions for assembly. Nice. Oh, killing. Batteries. Oh, nice. There's the foot base. So all this stuff illuminates, which is going to be really cool. That's killing. We have kind of lightsaber tube here. What do we have here? Oh, you can do just the head by itself, which is kind of cool. And it will illuminate. That's rad. More. Oh, this is a support. Of course, you can make the lightsaber look like it's moving on film, the blur, the wide swipe blur. And then there's this little old DV3 lightsaber, which is very, very awesome. Very awesome. Very cute. All right, well, let's put this bad boy together. Stand him up. Oh, yeah. We know what those panels are. There he is. Super cool. LEDs that blink in the right order, I think. And then this dynamic glove where sort of going for a two-handed grip there. And this base is really cool. Boom. Can hear my children fighting upstairs. Yep. It's chaos. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome stuff. Yep.